Hey friends, if you wish to show program names on Windows 10 taskbar, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Right click on the taskbar, select taskbar settings. Okay. And then you can expand this list for taskbar behaviors. And once you expand this list, here's what you have to do. Scroll down and there is an option here which says combine taskbar buttons and hide labels. Change it from always to never and you will immediately see the names of all the programs here, but you can also change it to when the taskbar is full. Okay, so in this case, when the taskbar is full, it will start combining the taskbar buttons and hide labels, but otherwise it will always show it. And what would happen if there are more programs than those that can fit in the taskbar? Obviously, there will be a slider. So I prefer to keep it at always because I know the names of the programs associated with these icons, but you can choose accordingly. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.